sorry, Ratchet. This is all my fault.
Get off of me, you idiot!
But why?